Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to download AOL Mail application on your iPhone. The process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right away. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Now, open your App Store. In the search box at the top, type in AOL Mail and search. Look for this application from AOL Media LLC and tap on the Get button or the Download button in order to start the download process for the application. AOL is a mail service developed by America Online. It provides free email accounts with numerous features such as unlimited storage, spam detection, and virus protection. With its establishment dating back to the early days of the internet, AOL Mail has cemented its position as a reputable and enduring presence in the realm of email service. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button or also go to your home screen and launch Open AOL Mail on your iPhone. You can now allow necessary permissions for the app or not and get started with AOL. Now you've learned how you can easily download and install the correct AOL Mail application on your iPhone in just a couple of minutes. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.